You are in a kayak and notice a lighthouse in the distance and take an angle measurement of the lighthouse from the base to the tip and did an angle of 21 degrees. Now you move 15 feet closer and did an angle measurement of 23 degrees from base to tip. We will assume that these two measurements make two right triangles as displayed on this slide, and we want to find the values for the x distance to the lighthouse and the y height of the lighthouse. You may want to pause here and take a few minutes to work out the math and logic to solve this problem. To solve this problem, we'll be using the right triangle trig functions abbreviated as SOHCAHTOA. We will be thinking of the first purple triangle as having an adjacent side length of 15 feet plus x. We are working with the adjacent side and the opposite side, so we will be interested in the TOA portion of SOHCAHTOA. This is shorthand for the tangent of the angle is equal to the side length opposite of that angle divided by the side length adjacent to that angle. This formula is stating that for a given right triangle with a given angle, the ratio of the side length opposite over the side length adjacent will always be the same. Further rearranging this formula, we can solve for any of the givens. I have listed all variations of the formula on this slide. Looking at these two triangles, we notice that the length opposite, or y, or height of the lighthouse is shared between the two triangles, so we can set the two triangles' y values equal to one another. Now we can take what opposite is equal to, which is the tangent of the angle times the adjacent side length to that angle, and plug it into the opposite equals opposite equation. Next, we'll plug in 15 plus x for one adjacent side length and x for the other adjacent side length. We will take the tangent of angle 1 and multiply it by 15 plus x. Now we'll subtract the tangent of angle 1 times x from both sides to get all of the x's to one side of the equation. We will factor out the x and divide both sides by what is left in the parentheses when we factored out the x. We are left with the tangent of angle 1 times 15 divided by parentheses tangent of angle 2 minus tangent of angle 1 parentheses is equal to x. Plugging in our angle of 21 degrees for angle 1 and 23 degrees for angle 2, we get an x value of 141.78 feet. Adding 15 to the x value, we get the purple triangle length of 156.78 feet. Now we can once again use the opposite equals the tangent of the angle times the adjacent side of the triangle and plug in the adjacent side we found and the angles we were given. Plugging these numbers into our calculator, we are left with a height for both cases of 60.18 feet. This means that we have gotten the correct answer. That concludes this video. Hopefully I've earned a like, share, or subscription. If you enjoyed this video, you may enjoy one of these videos as well. Let me know how I'm doing in the comments down below. Thank you for watching.